Hello, my name is Carolina de Turrago Torregrosa, and I want to tell you about a piece of news that was released in El Tiempo News. Because according to this means of communication, a terrible case that occurred in Colombia, more precisely in the city of Medellin. Because it is about Maximiliano Achilwu, was reported missing in September, and a week later they discovered a body that could be the minor. There are 6 people captured for allegedly being responsible for this fact. Among these 6 people are his mother, his stepfather, and his maternal grandmother, who is part of criminal gang Calles de Ranks, which is part of a certain set. The whole country asks for justice for this fact and that it not go unpunished. Thank you.